today is Thursday. We're going to continue our online classes. I am planning to have a Google Meet. OK， 在我们的 Google Classroom 上面有一个 Google Meet。那下个礼拜一我们Google Meet 的时间，我们先约4点半 ，OK？ So Google Meet 的话 ，Teacher 就不会再做录影带了。So we going to do a little interaction 互动。So 回去你可以练习看看，然后我会把要 Google Meet 的时间跟大家讲。那也会附上一个流程跟大家介绍一下 ，OK？ 我们今天要上的 Today we're going to do history time，OK？ 这个 history time 呢，你大概一点都不会关心，因为跟我们一点都没有关系。So, but saying that, we still had to do it, OK？So this is the topic is archaeology. Archaeology， 各位知道 archaeology 就是考古学家 archaeology. Okay, so we're going to look at a picture. We're going to look at a picture of this and then decide to look at that and then you're gonna match caption 就是这个图片的意思是什么？就是一个短短的一段话叫 caption。比如说，这个车子昨天有2台车子撞到了，那你就说2台车高速公路撞击。Okay, so this is a caption. Alright, so Egyptian 这个字怎么念呢？我们一起念来 ，high H-I-E high R-O 不要念 ra hieroglyphics here 在这里象形文字 hieroglyphics OK so 哪一个是 A 到我关不起来OK so 1 2 3 4 1 他帮我们写的是 C, an ancient Egyptian mummy. Okay, so this one is an ancient Egyptian mummy. And so the 那个象形文字是哪个 ？And there will be number 4. 所以我们看可不可以写一下，把字写进去。Okay. So can we do 好，自己弄咯 OK, and then number B, statues on Easter Island. There will be number 3, Easter Island. OK, 我们那天有念过。Number C, we got it. Is the mummy. Number D is archaeology and archaeological. So AR 因为它的 CAL 多一个音节，所以我的音节要往后移一个。So archaeological. So 是一个考古学家的一个一个 site, right? 我的 dig 在这里也可以当 site， 记得吗？这是一个地点，一个 dig。dig 就是挖掘的意思，所以大家都知道。我的东西怎么不见了 ？OK。So you remember site 地点，这个是一个挖掘，是一个考古的研究的挖掘地。Okay, now we're going to talk about this. This is really boring. I can understand how you feel. 但是我们做阅读就是要看我们在学这么多的 vocabulary 里面，你有没有办法能够了解它的阅读的文章 ？OK， 以后 在考试部分也越来越多的这种阅读。OK，now archaeologists study remains。teacher 把 remain 写出来的 remains to learn remain 就是遗体做遗留的东西 right study remains to learn about humans at different times in history these 我的手手来 these remains can be artifacts 文物 such as tools or ceramics 在这里 ceramics you use the dirt right and then mix the oil and then you bake them 烤过 bake them and then they will become ceramics or even coins or pieces of art and even garbage they can be features 特点特色 such as pyramids or rooms or buried city 这个很重要 bury 这个字常常都同学会忘记来 bury B-U-R-Y well yes it sounds like B-E-R-R-Y like a strawberry yes 但是拼字不一样 B-U-R-Y so 我们把它背叫做 B-U-R-I-E-D 把它改成这个是它的什么它的 PP right 它的 PP 那这个 bury 只是告诉你它的发音 OK alright so buried city 所以很多的地下埋的把城市已经埋在地下以前不是有一个卡通影片叫做也有一部电影叫做亚特兰蒂斯 Atlantis the lost city they want to find a lost city why because there were so much treasure you can explore you can find you could find okay if you have seen the movie you know what I'm talking about okay next one archaeologists want to know how people live they want to know about their homes, their food, where they worked, and what they enjoy doing. 就像我们一样 So what do you enjoy doing? Playing video games. What do your parents work? 因为你根据工作，你可以看得出来那个社会的状况 right? And what do they eat? People now eat a lot of McDonald's. 所以他找我们的垃圾的时候，如果以后很多年以后找到我们的垃圾，就看到很多那个纸啊、塑胶袋啊。That's how people eat in the future. Now, okay. So they also want to know what people believe in, how they were governed. 所以我们来看一下 governed 治理 govern。我记得我们以前有学这个字啊 ，government， 这个是叫做政府。So， 你很多人每天在看新闻 ，we want to see what our government does for us. Okay, so, 这个就可以如果同学记得以前我们学阿兹特克 ，so 我们就可以研究说，那个人民是怎么被 governed。So the men had to hunt and women had to stay at home， 或者是他when hunting， 他怎么去 hunt？Okay， because they only have one king that govern them. Okay. All right, next one. Archaeologists can find out. 我们学会找，这是那个找是 find 那如果你写 find out 就是发现，有点像 discover 得到这个答案 find out many of these things by going on archaeological digs or over the world 到各地的那个挖掘的地。Sometimes the archaeologists find written records or drawing to help them with their investigation. 记住吗？我们那天有在上课说 investigation 是你要先去调查，然后你要有 ever ever DENC 要有证据 ，and then after you do your investigation and you find the evidence, and then people might because of that people become a criminal, okay? And with their 这里的 investigation 不是跟犯罪有关，是他的调查archaeology 这方面的。For example, hieroglyphics help them understand how advanced ancient Egyptian society. OK， 我们再来看一次 advanced. OK, ancient Egyptian society. SOCIETY 社会 OK Okay, so they need to find out how advanced their society is, and 它的社会有多进步。And prehistoric cave paintings show the animals that existed then. 在史前的时候，他们就有画动物，所以证明那时候 animal exist。所以 exist 是什么意思 ？OK。来念一次，来ig I， 所以我的 x 就好像我的 x 就等于g and z，g 跟 z，OK， z， 然后所以我们现在就要加一个 t，x 加 st exist，OK， 所以那时候就发现它已经存在了，所以 existed. And how people hunted for food on other occasion， 在其他的 occasion 就是场合 ，artifacts and features 那些特点特色 are the only clues archaeologists have。OK。我们想要找到很多的东西，例如他们的 garbage 的 painting, ceramic works, anything we want to find. 但是 most likely you only can find, it's very difficult to find everything. 所以最重要的就是只有找到 artifacts and features. Okay, then it can be difficult to answer questions. Why? For example, did people build giant statues? Why did people build giant statues on Easter Island? 我记得我们写那个 tourist information， 然后他邀请人家去 tourist island， 他就说 because we don't know, it's a mystery, and why don't you come to our island, find out yourself, and then you can make a decision for yourself. So we don't know that either. Okay. In more recent years, archaeologists have used modern technology, 用比较现代的科技。In 2014, the British Museum take 8 Egyptian mummies from their collection, 他们的收集博物馆的收集 to 2 London hospitals. They scanned 扫描。Use a machine, right? They scan the mummies, use a special X-ray machines called CT scanners. All right, 用 CT scanner. They use a CT scanner to scan the mummies, and the archaeologists learn a huge amount about these people from ancient Egypt, including how they died or what illness they suffer from illness. 所以你如果有 illness， 那你是 suffer， 所以一定是受到 suffer。像我们的台湾 we are suffering from COVID-19. So people cannot go to school and some people cannot go to work. Okay, so 这一段 so we finish our first period and then we'll come back to finish the second part. And thank you very much. I see you in the second video. Bye-bye.